come on. I wake up and got my blessings. Never stressing, I wake up, I pray to God. Lead me in the right direction, yeah, wake up and got my blessings. Never stressing, I wake up, I pray to God. Hoping that he get my message, yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. She got me low. No one never saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't vision. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped, now we planning trips and plotting on the mission. And because my age, man, it's been division. This is paid away, man, it's my decision. Never been forced, honestly sick, and now they making claims. They so insane, talking about our change, but I've been this way. They said your dreams too big, now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game, no questions, boy, I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing, every night I pray to God. Lead me in the right direction, yeah, wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing, I wake up, I pray to God. Hoping that he get my message, yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. She got me low. I know they hate me, I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care. That's not what you did, or what you doing, honestly. It's too concentrated on my biz. I don't got time for the games, don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put it on the spurt. I seen how far I can get. See all they hate.
Chat, what up?
We got the platinum. I wake up and count my blessings. Never stressing, every night I pray to God. Lead me in the right direction, yeah, wake up and count my blessings. Never
2X.
stressing, I wake up, I pray to God. Hoping that he get my message, yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know, no. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know, no.
Wow. What up, chat? Good morning. Welcome in. Hope you guys are well. Happy Tuesday. Good to see you all. New York session. It's time to get it. Yes, sir. George VDM is in the house. What up, George? George is here all day. Andrew's in the building. What up, Andrew? What up, Richard Lewis? Oh, chat got motion here today. Wokey in the building. What up, Ewan? Jay Coop in the house. What up, Zipper? Z Gamer is in the house. What up, Z Gamer? What up, Shelly? What up, 3 Ants? What's good, Andrew? My man, Andrew. What up? OGH. Louis G in the house. Xander in the building. Yo, shout out to Xander. Mr. BTC Captain. What's good, brother? What up, AJ? What up? Oh, motion. Who else we got here? Cody. What up, Cody? What up, Nate G? What up, Golden Heart? What's good? What up, Luke? Luke Dean's in the building. What up, Luke? What up, Magnus? What up, Zebs? Alan Forex is here. What's good, brother? What up, Bear Berry? Rob Fades in the house. Okay. What up, Zen? Stephen B is here. What up, Stephen B? Damn, man. All the heavy hitters. It's an honor to be in your presence here today. It really is. Engineer 14 is here. Energy is in the building. Let's go, Energy. Let's go. What up, Michael? What up, Dropout Trader? What up, Simple Trading? C Melly in the building. W. Hope you guys are well. Welcome in. If you guys can give the stream a like here, that would be fantastic.
Recording in progress.
Fantastic. Let me get the Zoom link out. How you guys feeling? You guys ready to go? You guys wide awake? You still sleepy? What you guys doing, man? Check out some motion here today. What's up, SG80? Yep. SG80, how was your vacation? I wake up and count my blessings. Hey, you guys like that sped up version? Yeet. All right. Hey, if you guys are not in our free Discord, you could join the free Discord now, completely free. Over 8,600 other day traders, entrepreneurs are in the building. Zoom. All right, Zoom link is out. We're good. One more thing here. Can't forget about my boy. All right, cool. All right, we good. What up, Jamil? What up, Diogo? What's good? J Mac in the house. Good morning, Greg Ski. Yeah, same names, man, same names. Just give these guys like 4 months. All right, cool. I think we're good. Let me share my screen here. They're cooking, man. They're cooking. All right, let me lower the music, share my screen. Zoom link is good. What's up, 11th hour? Good to see you, my man. Let's go ahead and get the day started. Let me pray for you guys. Y'all know I love to pray for you. So let me go ahead and pray for y'all, and then we're going to get started here today. Father in heaven, Lord, thank you, Lord. Thank you that we can come together and pray, Lord. Thank you for the 3 most powerful words ever recorded in history, Lord. It is finished. So we thank you for that finished work. We thank you we can call upon your name at any point, Lord, if we believe. We thank you for filling our hearts with joy and faith and abundance. Lord, I pray for your people today. Give them vision. Let them know exactly what to do. And we just give you all the glory for going before us here today, blessing this group, blessing this community, and the land that you've given us, Lord. We thank you, and we give you all the glory. In Jesus' name, amen. 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 What's up, Ty Hill? You're welcome, brother. You're welcome. Congratulations to all the winners of the last challenge. W, man. WW. I'll talk about these guys in a little bit here today, but very proud of these guys. We wanted to give you guys an opportunity to win some cash. And you guys want some cash here. All the cash, I believe, is sent out at this point. So y'all should all have your money. Tell them to bring me my money. Yeah, you guys should all have the money and the accounts as well. So good job. Way to finish at the top of the list. Top 3 players. One got close to 1,400. The other guy got $850, and then the other guy got like I think $275. So WWW. Congratulations to all you guys, and on to the next competition. Yeah. By the way, shout out to the other TTE traders in the new competition, because I believe right now TTE's holding the top 5 spots. So I think ASFX is coming in at 6. That's their first contender. So we are holding it down, top 5. Let's keep up the great work, and let's continue to just trade the system, man. Trade the system and keep doing what you're doing. Cool. All right, let's go ahead and start the day. Today is September 17th. Let me share the sound here for my Zoomers and open up my chat here. What's good, what's good, what's good? Grab some tools. All right, cool. All right, so let's start the day here. Today is, again, the 17th of September. It's another day. It's another opportunity here for us to be disciplined, to be patient, to really just come to the desk and come to the markets to observe it today, to watch it. And if we do get some sort of a playbook position that lines up with what we're looking for, we will go ahead and take some trades and put some bets on here today. So before we do that, let's go ahead and find out what's going on here on the 17th and make sure that there's no crazy news in our way. So as you can see here, 8:30 a.m. Eastern, which is in about 1 hour, you'll have core retail sales. You'll also have the month-to-month here coming in. And that's going to be our big red folder news here today. So that's going to come a little bit after NY Open. And yeah, that should come in. And then we are in the news here for the remainder of the session as well. So you've got a couple yellow folders coming in. And as you can see, that's about it for the US dollar today. So that's really it. We're going to look at gold. We're going to look at NASDAQ. We're going to look at US 30 here today and see what we can kind of map out. So let's go ahead and do a top-down analysis here and see what we can come up with on the charts and see how we can approach these lovely markets here today. If you guys can like the stream, give the stream a like, and let's get started. What's up, Kenneth? W day it is, man. W day it is. Yes, sir. All right. Let's go ahead and do a fresh top-down analysis. Let's talk about gold here for a few minutes, and then we can kind of settle into the session here. So taking a look at the daily time frame here on gold, right? So this daily time frame, as we all remember very well, you were in a range, right? So price had been ranging a bit from these support levels into these resistant levels, and these were pretty much, you know, your choppiness of the daily time frame. So it's been a little tough on the lower time frames due to this daily consolidation here, right? So as we all know, this candle kind of broke out of the range, broke the all-time highs, and created a new all-time high on this daily candle, closing, engulfing like a massive juice box of a candle, but with no top wick, right? So we had no top wick on that candle. The next candle moves up without really making any lower wick, breaks the highs, creates new all-time highs, and then pushes up, right? And now this candle is a dud, and now it looks like our daily candle here is breaking the previous daily candle's low, and therefore we should start to move down today, right? I could see this obviously consolidation going on here, then a breakout, some sort of a retest before moving back up here on gold. So I would expect the daily candle to give us some sort of a pullback. We did break the lows. We are currently bearish. Today could be the day where we do get that bearish closure here on the day. So let's go ahead and see what's going on the 4-hour chart so we can see how to plan the session here today. So looks like the 4-hour candle did close bearish, right? So yeah, so we did close bearish. We did close below the range here finally. Finally got a closure below. You do have super clean range coming down, right? So there's a lot of clean traffic on the 4-hour, but we're really gonna have to go down to these lower time frames to see what we can do here, because for some reason we're rejecting, right? See that rejection right there? So for some reason within this zone here, price is not wanting to push through. So we're gonna have to go see what these wicks represent here and these other candles on the 4-hour time frame. Let's break those down on the lower time frame and see what kind of a range is down there. So okay, cool. So yeah, price is moving down. So we did close below. We did break the lows here on the 1-hour, but really no follow through on that candle. So let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame, see what's going on there. Looks like 30-minute has created a new support here. So we have a new support level on the 30. Previous candle now closed with very little to no top wick right at that zone, right? So where did price come from, right? Price came down, broke through, now it's retesting that previous zone that it came from. So let's see how we react here. Another closure below. I do like sells look pretty good there. You might want to use the 15 lows here and look at it like this. So this could be the 15-minute range here that price is looking to trade in before NY open here. So you have, I would say, an 80 pip move on the way up. You got about a 32 pip advantage point with closures above there. Below that, you've got about a 70 pip range here as well. So I like closures below. Let's go ahead and see what this 30-minute looks like one more time here. So yeah, I like closures below. You could potentially go ahead and fill this entire range. If you do get some sort of a fade opportunity come NY open, which is going to be in about 30 minutes, then I do like the fade opportunity as well, but it's got to be there, right? It's got to be there for this wick fill, which is going to be about 50 pips. So we'll see if we can get some sort of a better fake out right in this zone here, and if we can, then we'll look to potentially take our sells coming down. If not, then I'll look for like range 2 buys above this zone here. Yeah, just because we're super bearish on the 4-hour and I would say we're bearish on the daily now after breaking those lows there. So that's what I'm going to look out for. So potential fake outs here, either based off the 30-minute. 30-minute would be best, right? 30-minute, 15-minute. I think 30 is going to be the best bet here. Wait for a fake out right there. Yep, and then we see where we can go from there. So that's going to be my range as of right now. We've just been pushing down. Took sells here in London session, just totally anticipated this move here. Price pushed down. Now we're kind of chopping around in this range. So as of right now, I'd pretty much consider this right here a no trade range. And then anything above there looks pretty clean to get going to the upside. And then anything below there looks pretty good as well. So that's it. That's the day. We're gonna probably see some new price action here at some point. We just need range, right? We need some sort of price action here. So yeah, give that some time. We've got news coming in at 8:30 as well, and we'll go from there. But all in all, should be a great day, and we'll be here to observe and watch. And if the playbook shows up, we'll be there to execute. So that is my day here as of 7:30 a.m. Eastern. Leave this area open for that fake out between here and here. You may get the fake out. Cool. What's up, Raul Trades? Yo, Wags in the building. Let's get Wags. So sells below here. So, and then in terms of buys, right? So in terms of us taking buys here today, or me taking buys here today, we'll see, because the daily candle has already really broken the lows. I would expect this candle to potentially keep driving here today, especially with that 4-hour closure below. So I think we just need a little bit of a pullback on the 4-hour, aka pullback on the 1-hour, and then this thing may be ready to continue driving down. So in terms of the buys, probably range 2 buys. Yeah, range 2 buys above this level right here. Yeah. So when I say range 2, I basically mean a breakout to the upside, right? Maybe a move like this, and then a retest. So some sort of like break and retest here would be perfect. That way we know we're shifting, we know we're going to move up. The 4 hours actually becoming bullish at that point, and then the buys look pretty good from there. Cool. This is gold? Yeah, this is gold. Yep. This is gold. Could you imagine it was a different pair the whole time? This is, oh my God, NZD USD. What the heck? Yeah, so that's it. So let's wait for some fresh market structure. We took sells there in the London session. We actually caught entries like right here on the fade. And yeah, so that was a good move. We closed right around this level here for about like 25 pips. And then the rest of it ended up driving. Yeah, so some people held, I believe. But most of us closed right around that like 25 pip mark. It was a good trade. Can you trade this on Forex? Yes, just put XAU USD. That's going to be the pair. XAU USD. XAU USD. There it is. The best of the best right there. The best pair in the world to trade. Who's in the top 10? Top 10, I'd have to, I'll get, before the stream ends, I'll get a fresh new daily report. What up, JDZ? Good morning, everyone in Zoom. Welcome in. You guys can hear the music, I believe, right? We're good, we're good. Zoomers. Clubhouse was lit in London, man. We're lit. Gold sells, yeah, gold sells in London session, so pretty much what was going on here was the 4-hour candle. So look at this move up here on the 15-minute. So this 15-minute candle started pushing. At first, it was just the 4-hour candle pulling back, right? And then the new 4-hour candle started, but look how far we pushed up. So over here, these are your previous 4-hour candle highs, right? So this 4-hour candle right here runs all the way up. All the way up, breaks the high, does this pack runner, and just doesn't really follow through on the break of the high, right? So going back to the 15-minute here, You see, we were looking for potential fades, I think right here. Yeah, right here, pre-New York. Oh, I'm sorry, pre-London, right around that resistance, but we never set any sell stops. We just watched price continue running with no wicks. We didn't take any buys here. And then this is where we said, okay, the fade should come in. It was, excuse me, 15 minutes before London open. And that's where we went ahead and executed. Yeah, so once this candle kind of broke the highs, or no, once this candle made a wick, a lower wick, kind of made the wick to like right here, right? It went up, it filled that wick, came down, broke the lows. Actually, while we were in it, it came back up, re-broke the high, and then just dropped. So yeah, that was the trade that we were in there, and all in all, good read on the market here. So what we were anticipating was at the point that this this 4-hour candle literally looked like this, right? And we were anticipating this 4-hour candle to start pushing down, to flip bearish there, and that is exactly what happened. So it was a good move. It was a good move. It was a very, very good read on price. Very good read. And now we are moving up here. So something's going on. The 4-hour may need a pullback. It might need to retest the range here again before moving down. So we'll see what price wants to do here as we move into NY Open. Why is it the best? It's just the best because I just think it's the best. I'm sure another guy would say it was the worst. It is, yeah, for me it is the high volatility, yep. And it's the whole New York session. So as you know, I live in the US, so that pair works really good during the time that I like to trade, which is going to be like the NY session. So volatile and New York session pair. How to join the Clubhouse? The Clubhouse, just go to timetrading.com and then just click over on the Clubhouse, and then you can join that way. Yeah, what we may do is we may open and close the Clubhouse. I really do like having like a fresh group in a way, so I'm still thinking about that. But yeah, you can get in the Clubhouse right here through the website. Oh, nice, pushing it. We'll see what happens when we come back in this range. That's gonna be your 4-hour previous zone there. Oh yeah, there you go. You can click the links there, and then that'll take you right to the Clubhouse. What's up, Robert? How are you, my man? Thank you, bro. Thank you. Goldie moving on up. Moving on up. Whoa, look at all this volume coming in. Whoa. Are they grabbing liquidity for the news? What do you think? What do you think? Was the buy at the top wick valid? Yes. Yeah. You were going against the 4-hour there, so that's all. Excuse me. TK, what's good? What's good, bro? It was good to have you in London session last night, man. Yeah, so we really want to see how price begins to react right here. Yes, sir, Dominic. Put you on game. Yeah, Luke is awesome. He's got a lot of good thoughts. Stephen B, where were you at for London, mister? Man was out cold. He was out like a light. Hey, I don't blame you, man. No need for Stephen B to trade the London session. He's a New York kind of guy, you know? New York kind of guy. Gotta have that sun hitting. Look at this golden hour over there in Canada, eh? Sheesh. Chat, if you seen what I seen, you'd be like, wow. That's a masterpiece. What up, C Melly? What up, Travis? What up, Adam 8 Figs? Aaron, I see you, bro. Mr. M is in the building. What up, Mr. M? Yeah, did you guys, I forget if we were talking about it here or if we were talking about it in the Clubhouse, but did you guys watch some of those podcasts that we were recommending yesterday? Ricky's in the house. Ricky's got a free day here today. Let's go. Can you have a look at charts for stream? Yeah, let's have a look. Charts for stream. Okay, cool. Let's take a look here. So we've got, oh, Mr. M with the, hold on, let me pop this up over here. W. Okay. So yeah, this was a good trade. This wasn't bad. You were going against the 4 hour, but I do like the idea here. Early this morning, you kind of were pushing down here. You closed like inverted celery on the 30, which was really nice. And yeah, I like that entry. Good job. Yeah, you see that candle? So we talked about this. I forget where now at this point, if it was Clubhouse or here, but we talked about that candle, right? That's gonna be there. I'm not sure if that was in the webinar or what, but see this guy with no wick at the top? Boom, that's your TP1 right there. That's typically where price wants to come fill. So yeah, good trade. I like this trade. It was a little bit aggressive going against the 4 hour, but I like it. You know what I mean? Yeah, I think I was getting ready. I just woke up, took a little nap. Okay, yeah, pretty much same trade here. Looks like, yeah, off a different time frame. Nice. 15-minute onion, very nice. I took the fade entry yesterday, okay, or today. Saw the bearish breakout downtrend. Didn't take there was a 4 hour top wick. Currently set on BE with a view that a top wick ought to be created during New York session. Yes, you were correct. Nice. Yeah, so you're probably sitting up here now. Yeah, good trade. Good trade. Lovely. 15-minute fade. Risky trade. Went with half risk, but it played out perfectly. Had to be patient and trust the position. Oh, yes. So this was the fade, I believe. Was this the one that we took together in London? Yeah. So this was the fade we took in London. And wow, man, way to go. So you held it the whole time? Holy. My man held it. You held this? Sheesh. Nice. Nice job. Let's take a look at this one here. So we got 4 hour closure. Hold on, 4 hour closure, 1 hour fake out and taps into the zone. 4 hour hits target. Okay. 30-minute candle forms a good onion and enter on the break of the lows for price to push down. Stops above the 30-minute. Okay, perfect. Initially price ranges, but London volume drives it down. Yep, I predicted the 4 hour due to the previous 4 hour closure. Tap target, BE, partials, W. Yeah, great trade. Yeah. Yeah, so you took the onion, we took the fade there, but both of them are great positions. Really, really good. Good job. Good read. Let's see what we got here. Harsh. So we took 30-minute fade, called 26 pips. Okay. Nice job. As price closed below the support, I counter trend trade, added more quality for sales plus the fade position running. Yes. Candle closed without a bottom wick. Closed both positions at 26 pips. Counter trend breakdown at 11 pips. Very nice. Yeah, you had this clean traffic to the left. Fade and breakdown, manage both. Okay, risk management. Yep, I don't blame you, man. You closed it. You had no wick at the bottom. No big deal. You gotta stick to the plan, right? Gotta stick to the rules. The rules will keep you profitable. So, good job here. I like this. Great management. Way to get out when it was time to get out, and stay in when it was time to stay in there. Beautiful. Good. Two good trades. Two really good trades. Help, please. All right, let's take a look. See how we can help. So, all right. Clean range to the left. 1 hour support. Okay. Stop loss was above here. 4 hour, okay, broke 4 hour, 1 hour support levels. Activation line slightly below here. All right, take partials, move stops to BE from this point. Okay, nice. So you took profit here, right? Right. Point of interest. If you took profit here and you got in here, that was a pretty good trade, man. Yeah. Yeah, I thought that was pretty good. I don't think you need too much help, man. I think you're doing pretty good. Okay, cool. Let's see what we got pulled. Let's see. Where are we here? There we go. Wow, look at this move up. Damn. Pre-news. Pre-news. Yeah, I thought that last one was a good trade. As long as you closed your partials where you had it all marked off and you followed the rule, I think that was a pretty good trade. Runner got hit at break even, it seemed like, so no biggie. How many participants will advance to the next stage? I believe it's the top 10 from TTE, top 10 from ASFX. TTE holds the top, I think, 5 or 6 spots as of London session. So good stuff there, gang. We are doing pretty well there. First and second place are really crushing, and everyone else is doing very well also. I wake up and count my best. So we got 10 minutes here for the NY Open. So we'll sit back, relax, and enjoy this until the open here. 4 hour candle potentially has made a top wick. Potentially has made a top wick. Top 3 spots. All right, so ASFX creeped up on 4. Creeping up on 4 now. Is there a leaderboard? Yeah, there is. TK, maybe you want to post it in like top 1 or something. Top 1 channel, so you can see the leaderboard. Yeah, keep trading smart, trade well. It was only the first day yesterday, so the top dog is up like 12%. Yeah, next runner up I think is up like 8 or 9%, and then a lot of people actually didn't even take a trade on their account yet either. So I think there was 600, almost 650 people competing. So top 10, really top 20 will advance. Yeah, exactly. This might be your high, right? This might be your top wick for the 4 hour candle. Just like in London session, this was our top wick on the 4 hour, and then the 4 hour drove, right? now that 4-hour candle, this was the top wick, this was the body, it closed, right? So now the new one's open. So that's what this is. This is currently creating a top wick there. Because I mean, we got a lot of room to go here. A lot of room to go on the 4-hour. If we want to go down, big if. Big if. Tried to join Discord, but it refused. That's weird. It should be good. Try it again. What's up, Sandman? Good to see you, bro. Alright, so here's that no wick on the candle. We'll see what we do here. How we feeling? Feeling great, bro. Feeling great. Ready for an NY sesh. Hero of the day. Why would you say that? What up, Mod Squad? The Mod Squad. Do we not have the best mods on the face of the internet? Dang. Damn. Damn, Daniel. Alright, cool. Look at this. Gave that little candle a top wick. Clubhouse, you guys seeing this? Again and again and again, right? Again and again and again. What's up, DT Gamer? Yo, yo. How are you, my brother? Hey, yo, who's coming to Tampa in October? There's a TT meetup buzzing. It's just happening naturally. Not even trying to force it. Just the forces are coming together. TK, what's up? We in there? All right, here's your leaderboard. So top dog up 11%, 8%. Here's your TTE or ASFX members. So Mr. Stanley's coming up, 5.2%, coming in strong. So this is it. This is your top 20 right here. Top 20. A lot of TTE. So there's still, so you see how it says 31 here? There's like 650 if you keep going down. So 650 or 630 people in the whole competition. But this is your top 30, 31 here. Yay. Number 3. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Congrats. Keep trading well here. Keep trading well. Oh, damn, pirate. What country is that? Sorry, just win to win. Sometimes you just gotta win to win. What's up, Jesse James? What caused the pump on NQ? I don't know, but everything pumped here yesterday for a bit. US 30, NAS, gold did it for a little bit as well. So yeah, I'm not too sure. Where's my chat here? There it is. Scotty C is here. What up, Scott? Daniel. OGH, what's goody? What's goody? Why do I find myself in the same patterns in life? Like I could be doing well for 2 months, then eventually I go back to my old habits. Nick, help out. It's because you're stuck in a paradigm. So you're stuck in a common theme, routine. You're programmed. We all are, right? So we're all programmed in a certain way. And if that programming is years of continuous repetition, it's very difficult to break out of that until you become conscious of the fact that you are trying to break out of that routine. So you got to purposely begin to act and develop new habits, winning habits, habits that yield consistency, right? So you got to start really small and then work your way up from there. Oh, equities rollover. Yeah, I think gold, yeah, gold, all that stuff this month here. NQ, yeah, I think NQ, I think you have to roll over on NAS already, right? Was that yesterday? Okay, cool. So we did close below here. We do have NY open here. There is a potential fade opportunity. We also do have the news coming in here as well. So don't really want to take the fade just yet. We still have a lot more room to go on the 30 if we really are being honest, right? Yeah, we're at this 15 resistance, but 30 can keep ripping up here. So don't really want to attempt any sort of fade at this point before the news, but we'll see how this 15-minute candle does and most likely wait on news here. What's up, Ecom Dre? Yeah, a lot of times when we're stuck in that paradigm, it has a lot to do with our level, like how much we can accomplish or think we can accomplish as well. So, you know, sometimes when we were younger, we try and do all these crazy things, and our parents or our people around us say, that's crazy, you know, don't even think about doing stuff like that. And that begins to shift our paradigm, right? And then we begin to think, well, you know, what makes me think I can do that? Right, and that's because of the programming that we've gotten throughout our entire life, from a kid and into our, you know, young adulthood, and then, you know, we continue on with that mindset. Or let's say your parents and everyone around you has only made 50K a year, right? You hear me talking about 50K a month, you're thinking this guy's absolutely nuts, right? But this is light work a month, right? You got people making 50 million a month. Right, so all this stuff will challenge your thinking, and that should tell you like you're trying to get to a new paradigm, right? You're trying to believe this stuff, but for some reason deep down you don't. So you really got to start to program yourself with like self-talk, right? Read different books, get around different people, right? You get around someone that makes 50 G's a month, all of a sudden you begin to believe that, hey, maybe you can do it, right, too, because you notice that they're not that much more special than I am, right? They just believe that they can do it, right? I'm not that special, to be honest. I'm just very consistent, and I believe that my efforts will pay off, and they typically do because I line them up in the right direction, right? But, you know, you'll hear things like that and just scratch your head and think there's no way one can make that money. Like TK, he always he always says, you know, like a lot of his friends hear something like that and just challenge him like, no way, like, what do you mean 50K a month? And then I'm over here talking about 150K a month. And TK's like, man, that's why I like hanging out with you, because you think big. So you got to learn to think big, man. Read like The Magic of Thinking Big, read Think and Grow Rich, The Compound Effect. Go read biographies of other successful individuals who, you know, at the end of the day had like a 3rd grade education, and they went ahead and became some of the most successful men in the country. So you just got to read more about people who did it. You know, where we come from, sometimes we don't have a lot of people that make it big or go out and do a lot of great things. A lot of us, I'm sure, grew up in an average, mediocre neighborhood or, you know, town and stuff like that. So you got to break out of that shell. You got to see other people doing it so you can believe that it's actually possible. Get you some rich friends. Yeah, man. I'm like a little peanut, man, compared to some of my friends. These dudes are making like $400,000 a month. I'm like, damn, bro. Slow down. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'll never tell them to slow down. I just got to speed up. I didn't even think that was possible, man. I thought $400,000 a year was just out of this world. You know, and then I realized, man, there's kids younger than me making $400,000 a month. So if they can do it, you know, why not me and you? Why not me and you? There's I need to find a good club nearby. I heard there's a good club nearby. I think Johnny Boy spent too much time at the club last night, because I don't see him here. I brought some of you guys out there to the club with me last night. It was a wild evening. My boy got wasted. My boy drank a lot of pips. A lot of pips. Scott, we missed you in London, brother. We really did. We took some pips for you, though. We got you, bro. We'll take those. He was big pippin'. Big pippin' all over the club last night. Oh, man. You guys are funny. Yeah, so the fade looks like we might break the lows here. What's up, Traders X? Good morning, my man. Good morning. Good afternoon, I should say. Got the Fed coming in tomorrow too, so I got FOMC tomorrow, so we won't do a double YouTube stream, but we will be in the Clubhouse tomorrow for the Fed coming in to speak with us. A little Jerome Powell action. First time Jerome Powell will bless us with his presence in the Clubhouse, which will be nice. Good move down here. Low 14. Everyone sell gold. All right. Everyone sell gold. Man was pipping. Oh, man. Is that 400K a month in just trading? Nah, some of these guys aren't even traders. Are you judging me, Stevie Mac? Do you think I only hang out with traders? Yeah, nah, some of these guys don't even trade at all. They're just entrepreneurs. Green? Is green here? Green. Yeah, some of them have bigger YouTube channels. Some of them do e-commerce. A lot of them mess around with crypto, real estate, things of that nature. Trading's for the risky boys, you know? That's the risky game. Some of these guys, they don't like to get involved in this type of business. What's up, Green? How we doing? London was good, brother. I told you I took those pips for you. It was a good session. A lot of fun. Maybe we'll see you there next time. Just hit B on the sells on the fade. Nice job, man. Good job though. I like the fade there. It's pretty good. I didn't really like it pre-news, and with the 30 minutes still having a lot of room to drive, and that could be the 30 minute just to move up and all that. So that's why I didn't take it, but it was a good idea. Good idea off of 15. We'll see where news wants to push us. Yeah, London was very good last night, actually. Pre-London gave us a move, right? That 1 hour closure below. So you had this, at the time, you had 1 hour supports. So you had this 1 hour support zone. Where was it? Right here? Yeah, so you had this 1 hour support here, which was pretty nice. I was not at the desk yet. But you had that candle close. Next one kind of filled the range down to these wicks. So I think some of you guys got that before I jumped on. And then after that, we just waited on the move up and then caught the sells from right here. Well, really like right here. Yeah. Bottom of this range was pretty much the target for the most part. Yeah, you see how that fade may not be ready yet? You see how the 1 hour, 30 minutes still bullish with a lot of range to go? So that's when I really don't like to take the fade there. My favorite color is green. Green is so dedicated to the color green. He actually went and got a fake phone that types back in green, or whatever they're called, Androids, right? Androids? He went and got an Android just so his text messages would come in green. That man's committed. Green's committed to green. Green's got green. Now I can't even send him pictures. Man gotta hit a switch. Hold on, I gotta receive an iPhone message. Let me just go ahead and push this button and hit this switch, and alrighty, Nick, you can send me the picture. At that time, I already put the phone down, forgot all about it. It's better, it's not better. It's not better. Hey, I like the dedication though, Green. I do. Oh, TT Family Life, how are you? Coming back from a nice long holiday, ready to restart learning and trading and life lessons? Yes, everything is going the best. It really is. Praise God. Thank the Lord. Everything is well. It's good to have you back. So we still got room to move up here. So just want to be careful. I'm just gonna wait on the news here. It's probably gonna be our best bet. Oh, donation. Thank you, Eddie. Appreciate you, Eddie. Thanks, man. Check the leaderboard. I'm on the top 5. Let's go. W. Oi. What's up, Osama? Did I just see... What up, what up? W. TT Family Life W. Just came to give a like. Man, I appreciate that. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. How do we check the leaderboard? I think TK sent it out in the top 1 section in the Discord. Green on my glasses. What up, Tuffa? Shee. That boy greening. Wow, Big Blessings is in the club. Damn, Big Blessings, you're on it, brother. Asian, London, New York, damn. What's up, Edson? Good to see you, man. Every time I say oi, I think of Sam. I know, right? Oi! Yo, we need Sam to come up here and grace his presence. Grace us with it. I miss a good Sam Capital pop-up. Okay, TK. Hey, Mod Squad, we might have something up our sleeve next year. I don't want to give any hints, but any of you guys ever been on a PJ? Pajamas? No, not pajamas. PJ. Private jet. We'll just leave it there. Mod trip 2025. Coming soon. A little some. Yes, sir. Do I keep checking the charts every 30 minutes when I'm not trading? Yeah, if I'm looking for a setup. Yeah. If I'm waiting on a setup, which typically I am, but there comes a time, like let's say like after 2 p.m. or so, you know, I'm just gonna call it a day. So I'm not gonna look every 30 minutes, but if I'm, you know, looking to trade and I'm waiting on a setup and I've got my charts marked up, then yes. Yeah. On a winning streak with around 1.7k watching at this time, but after a few losses, just 900. It's just a reminder how materialistic of a world we live in. Yup, they'll love you when you're up. They'll kick you when you're down. You just keep moving. I'm the co-pilot. Let's go. The cool part is we don't give a rip about the numbers. We're going to keep winning. Keep learning, keep winning, keep moving forward. It's just what we do, you know? It's just a way of life at this point. So they'll all come back, and once they hear about the new shiny object, right? We had the internet going a little crazy there with the fade. The buzz was going around. Buzz, they were all flocking over here. What's the fade? What's the fade? Yeah. Hey, yo, Magnus. Mod applications. Yeah, that's true. At the end of the day, for me, I really don't care. I think in the beginning when I first started the stream and all that, the channel, I obviously wanted to get the numbers up, but for me now, I really don't care. You know, whoever God has in here, that's who I want. You know, if they're not supposed to be here, we don't want them here. If they're supposed to be here, we want them there, and you know, that's it. Doesn't matter to me, right? The harvest is plentiful, the workers are few. All we could do is work the harvest, and you know, God will do the rest. People hitting that other strategy, hitting with the dabbing onto the other strategy. Yes, the dangers of trading. What's up, Yogi? Yogi. Let's get it. Someone said the all-time high is like a magnet here on gold. So just a magnet. I will not leave. Let's go, Mr. Lopez. Yeah, the right ones. The right ones will move forward together. You know, we always say we're going to move forward. We want everyone to come with us. We know everyone won't, but we will move forward. We will continue to lead the charge. The famous saying, we'll see you at the top or from the top. But we hope you're at the top with us, living a good life. See TK as the private, just smoking back-to-back cigarettes, just burning it down in the cockpit. All right, lovely here, lovely. So we'll see what happens. We got news coming in about 10 minutes. You got 8:20 here coming, so you might get a nice push down. Some 8:20 volume, comics open. Comex for all the proper people. Good morning, Jessica. What's goody? What's good? It's gonna be like Soul Plane. You guys ever seen that movie with Kevin Hart? Soul Plane. So we may make resistance here. That might be our fake out that we were looking for. Somewhere right here. What up, DJ Scratches? Cigarettes, man. Very rarely do I see anyone smoke cigarettes now. Now you just see people smoking Juuls. Them little Juuls are like adult pacifiers. See homie in the car next to you. Hey, that reminds me of like Kingston, man. Not even Kingman uses a pacifier. Yo, tune into the next London session where we see Wiz Buddha's next Halloween costume. Last time he was Batman. We'll see what you got for us next time. Reading Outwitting the Devil? Enjoy. Oh yeah, that's true, and you'll stop. Yeah. Who will he be at the next London session? I left my top step trade open and went good night. Holy, my man smashed full TP. Dang. Good stuff. Set and forget, baby. Pair name, this is going to be gold. If you're trading on Forex, this is going to be XAUUSD. Good morning, Jay Finesse. What up, what up? So Comex pushing us down here. Nice little 30 pips, 25 pips. 1 hour still open here, so we'll see how the news comes out, how we react. That European trip, yeah, that Euro trip is calling us. It's calling us. Who's in the fade here? Anybody? I don't like these pre-news trades as of lately in September. What up, the Prather Trader? There he is. That's good. Are you enjoying those old streams, man? Do you actually watch like the majority of the stream? Some of those might be tough to watch, man. Price action definitely has been a little bit different for sure. Yeah, a little different. Little different. So, you know, you got to recognize that as a trader, right? Sometimes as a trader, you're gonna have these incredible green months, right? Or fast, speedy months. But then here and there within the trading year, you may have a red month, right? And you may have a slow month, right? And it doesn't even necessarily have to be red, but you want to identify that month, right? So like I would say halfway in, I feel like this, if this is September, I feel like halfway in, this is a month that we're going to see probably a little bit of a slower pace, right? Now, I could be wrong. We could turn up here in the second half and take more trades in September than we took in any month of the year. But as of right now, you want to kind of understand what month you're in. This is common, right? This is perfectly normal stuff, right? When it comes to trading, right? How you're going to have some green months, some red months, and all that. I know your IG guru didn't tell you this, but this is the reality, right? So you're gonna have some red months, some B months, and you're overall, like, typically my months will usually look something like that, right? So you should have some healthy losses in there and all that good stuff, but you got to identify and know what month you're in. So let's say May, June, July, August, and now we're coming to September. I'm not gonna let my, let's say, lack of ability to adjust here, like I'm not going to trade this month like I was as aggressively as I was trading these months, right? Because what happens is one trader who doesn't know how to make those adjustments, they continue to trade this month like they've traded all year, and what do? They give back the profits, you know, for all these months here. So you don't want to ruin, you want to let this 1 month go by, lower your risk a little bit, don't be too aggressive, you know, and just make way with it, you know, stay above the water or stay break even and just take good trades, low risk, right? Because all of a sudden October now can start to ramp up. We know November is going to be an election month, right? So we know that more volume's coming in. No need to throw away all the past profits trying to be Superman and Superwoman in the month of September when you can clearly see a little bit of a slowdown in the volume or a little bit of a slowdown in the opportunities being presented on a platter to us. So the trader, the pro, realizes and recognizes what month they're in, and they'll make those adjustments accordingly. Fade worked out. Too close to news for me too. Yeah, me too, bro. Me too. Seasons. Yep, seasons. Some of y'all think you win every trade. That's the fun. That's the funniest thing to me, is when someone actually like is upset about a loss, as if like there wasn't a loss that was bound to happen. Oh my God, we lost. Make adjustments on your own past data. Well, once you have a good read on everything, you can make adjustments in the moment, right? So that's why lately I've been talking with my elite members, and we've been talking about lowering our size a little bit for the next 2 or 3 weeks, and then seeing what October has for us. Because again, we know that more volume's coming in, right? So we don't want to try and be that guy, you know, here in September. So we can see that the volumes slow up. We can see that the setups and entries aren't being presented in a way that we like them all the time, right? So that's where you kind of slow up a little bit. We see awkward price action, right? Trades that should go a certain way, but they go a different way. That shouldn't really happen most of the time. So this month may be a month where the probabilities are a little bit against that trading style or whatever, you know, that type of entry. Yeah, so it's not even past, it's more so present, like what's happening currently. But we know more volume's coming, so no need to get ahead of ourselves. All right, cool. Here's the news. So first second of the news, we push down, tap into the bottom of that zone. Moving on up. Let's see how we came out. You're not that guy. All right, let's see how we came out. So still pending. Retail sales coming out green numbers here. So let's see how everything else comes out. Oh, mix. So you got green and red here. Interesting. Interesting. Very volatile candle here. If no one trades news, why the volatility? I think, believe it or not, a lot of people trade the news, but I think it's more so the absorption of the news. Should be good to push down here, I would assume. Push down. If we break the lows and close below, now we know where we're at. 4 hour looking very weak now. Very weak. Think it's gonna sell? It definitely could. It definitely does look like it wants to move down. That's for sure. Let's go, TK. You could do it. You could do it. So make sure you come like a week ahead of time. The sudden spike on gold is the news release. Can't get a direct flight to Tampa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's not sounding good already. Yeah, what a stealthy top wick here on the 4-hour candle. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, pull up into Orlando. It's not that far. 4-hour. Do we want to rip here? Yeah, Orlando's not that far. Not too far. We need sells. No all-time highs, please. Yeah, I would like to get out of there. My boy Johnny Gems was really clubbing last night. He was really clubbing hard. What up, Ayush? What's goody? What's goody? How you doing? What day is the Florida meetup? I'm not too sure. I think there's some folks coming in from like the 20th to like the 26th maybe. What are the dates, gang? Remind me. I'll mess around, book a trip outside of Florida that weekend. 20th? Oh, 25th. That's right, to the 30th. Yeah, so sometime in that range, we'll try and link up. Nice, man. These sells are working out well here. 4-hour moving bolt bearish again. Which tools do I use to draw? I use Zoom annotation. Oh yeah, there go the 4-hour lows. Little some, Louis G. Okay. Four-hour has so much room to drive. The info, I think October 25th and to the 30th. Tampa. That's all the info I think we got. Tampa, October 25th through the 30th. At some point within those dates. Which to draw candles. Can you guys see this or no? Can you see something, a toolbar, or you just see my mouse? I'm not sure if y'all can see that. Can you? Just the mouse? Yeah, you can't see it. No. You don't have to lose those $900. Just submit it right there. Yeah, you passed. Yeah. Don't lose the 900. Yeah, just submit it, and they'll look at it and they'll check it out. And as long as you're over 3K, then you'll be good to go. Yep. Order filled. Down. New range is being created, which is nice. A real nice bleeder here today could be very effective. So let's make our way down into this zone here, and we will see where we go. It's a very clean range here. Alright, give me 1 sec. I'm gonna grab some more water. I'll be right back. Why you guys so quiet? Why you guys so quiet? Actually, a little chilly this morning in Tampa, Florida. First signs of some chilly mornings. I think it was like 70 degrees a little while ago. Brr. There's no lines to read between. Nothing. All right, so we got so the 15 closures coming up. You got a nice move down here. So I would wait for the 30 close. That's going to be the 1 hour close as well. And then if you do get a closure below here, you actually have a very nice wick to fill. So I'm still interested. I'm glad that this candle kind of came in and cleared out this range for us. And now if we get a 30 closure below, I think the next 30-minute candle can begin to continue ripping down. So you get a 30 close, top wick, wick fill, range fill, and then we go from there if we close below or not. I like trading on Top Step. That's probably the best platform I've ever used, to be honest. It's very nice. What Top One? I have a 200K account with Top One. Yeah, I like using their trade locker. Match Trade, I didn't use them for a little bit until they popped off a trade locker, then I got on the account. Meanwhile, oh my gosh, 7 degrees. Stop. Do I have a hidden talent? Yeah, I study candles for a living and predict where they will go next. So we closed above the range here, so nothing on the 15. Now it's just off to waiting on a 30 closure. Yeah, believe it or not, Top One said the majority of their payouts come from match trader platforms. Oh, it's hot in Lisbon. Damn, so what is it, like summertime still? Over there, as Lele would say, over there. Summer? Oh. Summertime. Travis, what's up, laddie? What's the good word today? What up, Connor FX? Patty G. Pip Lord, what's up, everyone? Talk to me, Travis. What's the good word, man? NASDAQ. Let's do a fresh analysis here. All right, so daily time frame here on the NASDAQ. So it looks like yesterday we closed, right? So we've been pushing up on the daily for quite some time now. As you can see, there's a lot of daily bullish closures here. Where'd my little arrows go here? There you go. As you can see, right, you got a lot of bullish movement here on the daily all the way up. We noticed that this daily candle closed with no top wick right at that resistance level. Last time we closed here, we pushed down. Same thing there, pushed down. So we'll see what's going to happen on this daily candle. Still early in the day for NQ here, so let's go ahead and move to the 4 hour. 4 hour as well, closing with very little to no top wick there. So you're getting almost no top wick. You're running into that 4 hour resistance there. Price been pushing up for quite some time. So let's see if there's any signs of the pullback here. You got a support formed. Let's take a look at the 30-minute support formed here. Yeah, I like sells below. Sells below. Let's go ahead and take a look at these buys. Look left. It's a bit choppy, Yeah, like a 15 pip move there. I like the shorts. The previous daily closing with no wick at the top. We've ran up a bit with very little to no bottom wick. We're in that daily resistance level. Probably just trying to clear that range to wipe out anyone else in there. And then, yeah, if the 4 hour closes bearish in an hour and 10 minutes, then I really do like shorting the NASDAQ here today. But I'm going to wait on that 4 hour closure and see how we do there. Order blocks? Me too. I get confused with those also. I don't even know what those are. Those are, I think, like this, right? Is that an order block right here? This? Are these order blocks? I don't know. I have no idea. Like order blocks, like ordering from Amazon. From Amazon. Am I trading real money? I am trading real money. Yeah, this one's a combine. I got a 30K cash account over here, and then I got 3 accounts pretty much. Top step, 150K combine. Top one, 200K live, and then 30,000 cash account here on Trade of 8. So I'm trading a few accounts. Did I pass this challenge? Nah, I just started it. Tail end of last week. Order block is a change in delivery of the price. So for us, price action trades on order block will be a point where the first candle reversed trend. Gotcha. Sorry, mate. NASDAQ is going to be bullish. That's all right. You don't have to be sorry, man. No worries. No worries. It could be bullish. It could be bearish. I'm going to wait on that 4 hour closure, and then I'll go from there. Do I use trade copiers? I don't. I actually used to. Now I just trade them individually. I got so I just switched, right? So I was trading my cash account here, top step over here. Now I switched it up because I don't want to get confused with Oanda's 4 hour and having to go back and look at it all the time. So this one has no Oanda 4 hour on it. So I'm just going to read price off of here. But then I just trade the top one from my phone, really. And then my Wakanda account. Yeah. That Wakanda account's crazy. Let's go, Louis G. Hey, send me the signal, bro. You guys be eating without me. It's messed up. Messed up. Send that Siggy. How you feeling the first few weeks of the Clubhouse? I don't know, chat. How we feeling? First few weeks of the Clubhouse. What are you guys thinking? What are y'all thinking? Military sound? I have no idea, brother. Me no speak English. Clubhouse is, yeah, I guess Clubhouse is enjoying it. Lights, fires in the Clubhouse. Yeah. Best investment in 2014. Very good. W's everywhere. Clubhouse is fire. By far, fire. Yeah, so it's going pretty good. Going pretty good. I like being in the Clubhouse. You know, it brings the crowd down from like 1,000, 1,200, 1,500 to like 90 to 100. I like it. It reminds me of like a webinar. You get a little bit more personal in there. The host is a bit, well, you know. Yo, Mr. M's been in every session. Mr. M, do you sleep? Talk to me, brother. My guy got the energy to win. I don't think I've signed into Zoom and you have not been there. My man. We all can tell where your future is going. That commitment, man, that'll get you places. Clubhouse creates monsters on the charts. Real 8-figgy traders. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, the Clubhouse is lit, man. It's where we hang out after the live stream. And before the live stream. AB Schneip in the house. Yes, Mr. M is turning into an absolute legend. Legend. Why live watching people decrease? Who knows? People only like you when you're winning. So if you have a couple losses, they go run to a different winner. And then when that winner takes a couple losses, they go to a different winner, and then a different winner. I like it. I like it under 1,000, to be honest. It's good. No Quakers. Everyone understands the deal. Real traders. I'm in Dubai, so it's perfect. Oh, okay. He's in Dubai. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Feels more personal in the Clubhouse. Actually being seen and recognized. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit of a tight-knit crew, man. That's why I was thinking about closing it a little bit maybe throughout the month and then reopening it so it doesn't get like too flooded. Yeah, we took some nice sells there in the Clubhouse yesterday. Took sells from up here, or not yesterday, but during London session. So that was the only trade I took here today. There's a military sound. Damn. If I stay at the clubhouse, it'll be 1 a.m. Oh, damn. That's late. Yeah, the clubhouse is cool because we stream Asian session, London, and New York. So that's what's nice about it, is whatever time you normally trade, you'll have a community to come hang out in. We also do weekly webinars. So we've done 2 webinars already, which were from what everyone said. It seemed like there was some good feedback. So hopefully those webinars helped. And yeah, we do those once a week and live trade together. You guys are gonna, once you come into the clubhouse, you're gonna meet some of my elite members. Some of the guys I've been training up for quite some time, like John, like Magnus. You see Scott in there, see Melly's in there. Stephen B is in the house. Always. That dude's always here too, man, to be honest. Like, what session are you not in? Here and there, London maybe, but yeah, George VDM, you'll get to hear from George in there. He's been great. So yeah, the clubhouse is filled with gems, and it's not just me, you know, it's an opportunity to hear from some other TT traders and get to see some other, you know, kind of like thoughts and opinions and all that good stuff. New perspectives, which is great. Yeah. Yeah, hey, by the way, all of you guys that are in this new top 1 challenge with the ASFX and all that, if you guys don't make it to the top 10, whatever balance you're at in your challenge, or in the competition, top 1's going to allow you to carry that balance over into a new account. So like if you're like 5% up on your challenge, but you didn't make the top 10, you can carry that profit over to any sort of like combine or whatever evaluation account. The elite mentorship, I'll probably open up the elites again, I would say like a month from now. So yeah, like maybe mid October. Yo, facts. Melvin's in every session too, man. Every session. You don't miss. Yeah, I think it's only a new challenge account. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right, let's see what's going on here. So 4-hour candle, so we're pulling back here. So we're kind of moving up and down now on the 4-hour here. So it looked like we were breaking the lows, like we were gonna just continue straight down and keep driving, but look, we turned around here. So we had a big rejection to the downside, right? A 30 closure below there would have really put me in the sells here, but we never closed below there. So 30 closure, right back up, kind of this doji style candle. So you got resistance here. We got 930 cheat code coming in 28 minutes. I think we sit tight on the 15-minute time frame. We wait for some closures, and come 9:15, 9:30, we should have a nice clean range if price wants to play nice here with us. Yeah, 65 pip range down here. I would say this is still going to be like an area where I'm looking for fake outs, just like earlier. Here's your call to stretch out a little bit, chat. Did you even stretch today? Stretch it out, man. Spamming is disrespectful to your fellow chat members. Please don't spam. Damn, bro. Imagine getting yelled at by Nightbot. Rolled out of bed, straight to the desk. Well, that works too. No stretching. Damn, Daniel, just finished stretching. All right, 20 push-ups. Let's go. What up, J4 Trades? Hey, where do you guys trade from, man? What's your office looking like? Send us your desk setup in the meantime. We'd love to see where you're trading from. Yeah, got a couple setups here last night. Magnus getting the office all freshened up. Yeah, Billy's Lost, just puffing down SIGs, just trading, collecting pips and just puffing SIGs. W. Hey, at least it ain't a vape. If there was a vape sitting there, I'd be questioning you a little bit. Yeah, if you guys have a nice setup and you want to show off your office, send it in a desk setup here in the Discord. Just John Daly of the TT Forex. Smoking cigs off every candle closure. Do I experience pain when sitting for long periods of time? I do not, but I also do frequently stretch, move. Every single day I tend to hang on monkey bars too, so that really helps, man. It really, really helps. You hang on them monkey bars, not only will that make your grip just locked in, but it'll stretch out your whole body. Yes, I'm looking for a fake out here on gold, so we'll see if we can get that. And then you do have that 4-hour wick to fill, which is down here, about 89 pips away. Yeah, shout out to Raj Deep. So the winners of the shout out to the winners of the last competition. Raj Deep was the #1 trader out of the whole competition. Big W, bro. My man got a 200K account plus $1,300 cash out of the pot. So W, brother, congratulations. My man Aaron took home 2nd place, got a I think 100K account and about $850 cash. And the boy Xander, man, that boy Xander coming in, man, got the rest of it. I think I'm not sure what size account you got, Xander, but I believe you got some cash too, right? Maybe close to like 300 bucks. So that was amazing. Glad we were able to put some cash in everyone's hand. And yeah, big shout out to Raj Deep. Little 13 hundo for motorcycle parts. I told you we were gonna put money in your pockets, but you guys didn't want to buy in. You guys were being little cheapos. $100K, let's go, Xander. W, brother. And 275, nice. Yeah, everyone's been paid, so you guys are all paid, and then I guess you guys should all have your accounts now. Quickly, shout out to Top 1, moving quick. Getting people paid quickly, getting them their accounts quickly. They really are efficient over there, man. Shout out to Bryson over at Top 1. The kid is a machine. What's up, Yanosh? My man. Got my 50K too. Nice, that's right. I think top 10 got like 50K and 25K, so W. Yeah, we didn't forget about you guys. Top 10 all made out. Top 3 is who got the cash, but yeah, top 10 all got accounts as well. Wow. Stuck to the plan. Got to the top. Nice. Dealt with some drawdown. W, man. Beautiful. Great job. Congratulations, bro. So what are you gonna do with the money? Motorcycle parts or what? I think I seen your picture on Discord. You riding a motorcycle? Motorcycle parts. We should have a comp every week. What up, Chala? My man Chala. What's up, brother? Any plans on putting more money in our pockets? Yeah, I'm down. I'm down to do another like a $10 buy-in. Now that you guys seen that the winners really get paid out and they really get the money and they get the accounts, maybe more people will be open to it. You guys were a little hesitant, I get it, a little $10, you know, didn't want to let it go. Let it go and let it flow, chat. Yeah, I would really like to see the next one go like this. The two free competitions we did, we had 850 people sign up for the first one, and then I think close to 700 on this last one. So if that many people did it in the $10 buy-in, you'd have like an $8,000 prize. You know, you'd literally be close to like the winner would be getting like, you know, like over $5,000 at that point. How do I identify your real Discord? Go to Nick's analysis on Discord, and I'm gonna post this chart right there. Not the one in the Clubhouse. Oh, I don't think we have a Nick's analysis anymore. Go to the YouTube live streams. That channel, that's mine. That's mine. Basically, if someone's messaging you, it's most likely not me. Oh, that would be sick. Yeah, we were actually talking about that, J4. You could do a $10, a $50, or a $100 buy-in. Yeah, it doesn't take a lot for a big community to all put in like a small amount, and like you could, you know, $100. I mean, I guess that's not a small amount, but I mean, we could be at $100,000 prize like very easily if everyone put 100 in. Anyone want to win 100K? It's worth 100. Oh yeah, so the challenge, so whatever you guys are at in the competition, so let's say you finish up the current competition at positive 3.6%, right? So, and then that didn't make it to the top 10. So what you could do is on a new account, you can carry those profits over. So instead of starting at 0, right, you'll start at whatever this is, 3.6%. Yeah. Hey, I think our stream survived yesterday. Yeah, go watch that one again. It's a good stream. All right, 4 hour here at a standstill. I think no, it's on any account. So let's say you're up, like, I think they'll do it more so by percentage. So whatever percentage you're up, whatever account you get, they'll put you up that percentage. That would make sense to me. Yeah, man, good job. 18%, dude. That was massive. On a fresh new account or an old existing one? No, I believe, yeah, I think it's got to be a fresh. It would probably make sense on a fresh new one. Yeah, 18%. Good job, man. Damn. The world needed that stream. Yeah, man. Go check out yesterday's stream. It was a good one for sure. Yesterday's stream. We got it? We got it? Yeah, man. We're still here 23 hours ago. Still here. Hulu. What's up, AB Mike? How we feeling? Yeah, especially this part. I'd go back to about 8:45 and I'd listen to this if I were you. Yeah, right around 8:50. We talked about some elephants. It was a good shot. I think the code word elephants kind of kept us under the radar there yesterday. What do you think? What do you think? We're using the code words now. Yeah, but I would highly recommend going back and checking that out. Good conversation. Elefantes. Gonna have to start talking Spanish. Yes, that was a drawing made by Alea. Alea made that. Do I think gold keeps selling? It all depends. You know, if we get a fake out here, then there might be a nice wick fill to attend to. If we get a closure below, then you've got a potential range to fill. So closures play a big role here. Right now you're 15, 30 are both above the range there, but no follow through on this pop here on the buys. So 12 minutes left on the 15 or on the 30, and then 12 minutes left on the 15 here. Ah, I like that. We snuck out undetected. What a great movie. The Matrix was such a good movie. I feel like it's like that movie Inception. You gotta watch it a few times to really understand it. Which broker am I using? I'm using a broker called Tradeovate. It's a futures broker. Where's John? This dude was at the club all night. Dude was hanging out that TT Clubhouse all night, man. I don't know what he was doing over there. Man was big pippin'. Man was big pippin'. Yeah, Foster. Yeah, word. Yeah, Inception, man. That was trippy. Trade Ovate on Top Step as well? No, Top Step has its own platform. It's called Top Step X. It's a really nice platform, actually. Yeah, Trade Ovate is going to be on my actual cash account. John left me hanging. He said, I'm sleeping in. Gonna get an account this week. Nice. Yeah, TradeOvate's good. Yeah, TradeOvate's a really good broker. I've used them for maybe what, 9 months, 7 months maybe. Never heard of Inception. It was a pretty good movie. We also have news pretty much all throughout the session now. It's not crazy news, yellow folder news, but it's all through this 9:15 into 10 a.m. and all that. So we should get some volatility. How do I feel about Sway? I've only heard of them. I've never actually like looked into it. Yeah, I think I had like I don't know if he was the owner or who he was, but someone messaged me a while back from Sway to see if they could potentially work with us. But honestly, I read the message, forgot to reply, and it was gone. I don't know where it went from there. How many contracts do I use on 150K? I've been using 3 contracts. 3 to 5. Yeah, I don't think I would rock with Sway because I think they're more of like an affiliate program, right? Are they like a network marketing, or are they just like an affiliate broker program? I'm not sure. Gold spreads are crazy. Yeah, gold spreads. Yeah. So I need like no spread. That's the spread I like. No spread. Which is usually what we get on the futures. Yeah, if you look at my spread here, it's where is it? Right here. 0.2. I don't think I've ever seen it more than 0.2. So not even near 1 pip. Sway's a broker. Gotcha. Trade Locker's pretty good. It's kind of like Top Step X. It's pretty nice. I like the platform. Yeah, Trade Locker I used them with a top one. Do I recommend you change to futures? I don't know if I'd recommend it because there's still a lot of pros to Forex, but you know, if you're looking for a better spreads and no slippage and things like that, better commissions, more regulated, like, you know, then you can go with futures. But there's still a lot of pros to using like an offshore broker, in my opinion. especially, you know, being the fact that you can move crypto around a little bit. But other than that, futures is where it's at. Check my desk setup. Oh, let's take a look. The crafty desk setup. I dig it. W. Hey, the stream on, damn. You can fit a lot on that little screen there. Okay, my boy using the big GCs. All right, all right. Oh, nice. Dope. Lovely. Spamming is disrespectful to your fellow chat members. Please don't spam. What up, Big Wick Energy? Let's get it. All right, we got 4 minutes for 9:30. We're coming around here, coming around again. It's disrespectful. The music can't be that bad because no one else complained about it. Can't be too bad. Volume's non-existent. All right, here we go. Volume coming in. 4 minutes left. NYSC coming up. Wick to fill. We'll see what we do. Just push the affiliate hella hard. Yeah, I don't like doing that. I don't. Yeah, I have a lot of brokers, a lot of firms like that approach us in email and through Instagram and all that, but I typically don't do deals with any of them. Not bad. If we could stay right there, that'd be great. Doing fantastic, man. How you doing? Oh, we got another one. Another one. Let's see this one. Nice. Hey, I like that. The claw. Oh, holy. Whoa. No signal, bro? Couldn't have sent the boy a signal? Damn, Daniel. What's this? What's that? That's not one of them jewel things, is it? Hey, I like this. Yeah. Nice. MJ. Nice. I'm sure you got some good stuff written there. Nice, nice. drinking that water. Let's go. Hey, believe it or not, you could probably make millions selling these on Amazon FBA. See that remote right there? That remote, you can make a lot of money selling that remote. Amazon FBA. Don't say I didn't tell you. That's a highlighter? Oh, yeah, it looks like a highlighter. I thought that was one of them jewel thingy-majiggies. Remote control? Yeah, believe it or not. That's illegal. Roku's got the deal on him. All right, so let's take a look here. Potential sell stop here if we get this closure. Looks pretty solid here. Let's get a top. We need a top wick here, and then I like it. Uh-oh. Well, that was fast. Daily range low, hourly, yep, that's gonna rip. Rip or dip. Yeah, we're breaking the lows here in the first like couple seconds too. Later, Chala. Have fun, bro. All right, gold, relax, relax. That was so fast. Let's see, do we have any of that yellow folder stuff come out? At 9:45. Yeah, you'll have news coming out now the remainder of the session. So don't jump on these sells if you're, you know, trying to get in. I mean, you can, but you broke the lows there in the first second. Didn't even really give us any time to actually make a top wick or any of that. So gold drooling. Oh. Hey, George VDM, I'm gonna have to make a trip to South Africa. Play some golf with my buddy James Bruce. You wanna play? Play some golf? We'll see. Worst case, the sells are below the 15 support there. Cape Town? All right, let's do Cape Town. Cape Town has some good, yeah, man, this golf course that James plays on looks amazing. Immaculate. All right, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back. funny how Lele is up too, and we just drive down, tap that target. Just woke up. You're down to, yeah, you're down to golf? Let's do it. Yeah, so that would have been break even there, and it looks like we would have probably got tapped that B. Yeah, so another saved commissions trade here. So we save on commissions on that, and we see where price wants to go. What did we really get there? About 30. Nice. Yeah, I was planning on BE there and then holding for a bit of that wick fill. Look at my setup. Send it over in charts for stream. We'll take a look. Arabella. Oh, is that a course? Let's go, simple trading. Let's do it. All right, 15 closure here in a few minutes. So we really wanted 930, but we made this top wick and basically broke the lows in the first like 10 seconds of the open of the candle here. So there was nothing we could really do about that. We had a good read on the fact that there would be a fake out here. As you can see, fake out for sells, and then, you know, that we would tap into that support, but sometimes you're just not going to be able to get it off, right? So that's fine. The idea was perfect, and now we wait for the next best idea here. Oh, it wasn't Lele, it was Maverick. Look at my desk setup. Gotcha, gotcha. Hey, nice little labby, little laptop, double screen. Nice. That's all you need. A little sum. He does bring it. He brings it. Yeah, don't stress it. If you didn't catch that, number one, it was extremely fast. But you got supports here. You got supports here. Below that is very clean. You got that previous exhaustion wick to target. And then you got a support level down here. So that's going to be your cleanest move on the 4 hour. I mean on the 15 minute. See this clean range? Super clean, super clean. To be honest, I'd rather probably see something like this now. Right, a little pullback and then a closure. Price is trolling a little bit, yeah.
We like to troll. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling.
A little troll here. I would have gone break even too. Yeah, me too, Alex. Nice. Yeah, playing it out. Yeah, I would have been break even and then we would have got tapped there. We did not throw that much of a wick there. It was just that original wick and then drove down there. So A lot of volume in 9:30. Oh, Kingman's up. Yeah, there was like three trades in the last 24 hours that looked decent, but we didn't get what we wanted, and price went down and, you know, straight to like that B point, just pulled back. So we saved our money there on commissions and saved some bullets. Tomorrow's FOMC. We're going to be doing that in the Clubhouse, so we'll be on the live stream till normal time. But if you guys aren't in the Clubhouse and you want to jump on the stream with us here for FOMC tomorrow, for London session, Asian session, then go to the TT website and jump in, man. We're more than welcome. We look forward to having you in there. Posting my setup. Nice. Oh, a little Fibonacci. Nice. DJ Scratches. Well, damn. Got us on it. Look at mama. We made it to the big screen. Damn. We on the big screen. For real. Nice. I like it. I like it. Up, up, up we go. Uh-oh. Yeah, as you can tell, gold is doing a bit of abnormal stuff, right? Over the last couple days since we've been in these all-time highs. That's pretty normal. When you're in these all-time highs, we've seen it happen 3 or 4 times now, you know, since we've been trading. So it happens, man. You'll have a lot of iffy price action in this overall zone. Can't save templates? Like which kind? Like these ones? Like the lines? Is that what you mean? Really weird support here. Rejected, yeah. It's a little sketchy price action. John Stu is gonna meet us in the Clubhouse, ladies and gents. So you won't see him here on the live stream. Told you he was clubbing too much. Am I an NFL fan? Not really. I feel like all these athletes got so big into like politics. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, I'll watch here and there, but not too much. Not as much as I used to. NBA fan? Not really. MLB fan? Not really. I like watching UFC a little bit. And I like watching golf. A lot of it, believe it or not. Everything's getting wiki? Yeah, Ben. Yeah, sometimes on days like this, it's just best not to trade. It's just best to stay out, right? If there's no familiar price action and you're kind of sitting there scratching your chin, thinking, well, you know, sometimes it's best to stay clear of the moving bull, if that makes sense. Hope you're doing well, Ben. UFC, yeah, watching golf. I think watching golf's pretty fun. You're still 20, J Coop. You're still 20, bro. Watching golf is really fun after 30, but before that, it's boring. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Start creeping over 30, you're sitting there, legs, feet up on the recliner, watching golf and just enjoying it. Yeah, so that 15 closed. It did not close in good shape here, so probably going to range a bit. Probably going to begin to range a bit, unfortunately, at 9:30 here. You got some more news coming out at 10 a.m. too. Yes, the grind time. What's up, grind time? It's getting ugly here on gold. It's getting fugly. .30-minute pushing back up now. What are we gonna do with price action? We're just gonna leave it right where we found it. Just put it down and just leave. London's been cleaner. Yeah, London was good. London was good. It was a little difficulty to get down, but once it started pumping it was good. That's why I've been in the London session, man. It's been a good session. Close the charts, come back tomorrow. Not a bad idea. You may get obviously some more plays in the afternoon. Let's do like a fresh analysis here, and then we'll head off into the clubhouse. So 4 hour, right? So the 4 hours trying to move bullish. It looks like we're trying to create a support. There's 11 minutes left on it, so most likely we'll create that support right here, and therefore you should kind of make your way up here, you know, in the afternoon session. So we'll see about that. We're still going to need a 4 hour bottom wick. The tricky part here now is the fact that this 4 hour bottom wick can drive all the way down and still be bullish just to move up. Just like this guy right here drove all the way up. See this candle here? Look at this. Drove all the way up and still remained bearish. So that's the trick now with these really, really steep lower wicks, is that now it gives price free range to go do basically whatever it wants and grab liquidity and still line up technically, if that makes sense. So 4 hour looks like it's creating support. Yeah, 1 hour's coming back up here. Attempt to fill the wick, but just tapped into that support level. 30-minute moving its way back up. I think decent buys, not even good buys, but decent buys are probably above that 30-minute resistance. Yeah, that's it. That's if you close above there. It's a 51 pip range. So that's what I'll be looking out for. And then obviously below that 1530 support, you got clean range coming down. So you might chop around here for a bit in this non-tradable zone. Yeah, 15 is just as chopped here. So 30-minute I think is the best time frame at this point. 1 hour's chopped. It's very choppy here. So I would be very patient here the rest of the day. Wait for good familiar setups. Don't try and, if you are going to take any trades within that range there, make sure if you're taking sells, it's like from the top, right? Don't settle for sells right here. Make sure they're from the top. And same thing if you're taking buys in this range, take buys closer to the bottom, right? Again, up here is not that good, right? But down here, you get a nice closure. You got pretty much most of the range, and you can go ahead and trade that because it is a 67 pip range. It's just very choppy currently at the moment. So if we can push through, create some clean price action, then that's when you can, you know, maybe start to look for entries in the range. Other than that, I think we'll move over to the Clubhouse for the remainder of the afternoon and come back for FOMC here tomorrow. FOMC coming in tomorrow. Yeah, good day today. Anybody got any last minute questions? Anything I can help you out with before we get to stepping? You guys want to hear blessings sped up? Yay? All right, cool. We'll see you guys in the Clubhouse. If you're not in the Clubhouse, come join us. Come join us today, tomorrow, whenever you want. But we'll be there, and we'll be talking about things that matter. And we'll see if we can stay up to date with price action here today. Catch another trade. If not, we come back tomorrow for FOMC. All right. Hope y'all have a great day. Big blessings on the way out. W. Speed it up. Speed up the music.
I wake up, I
I'll
come
see y'all
on.
tomorrow.
I wake up, I come on. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. No one ever saw the vision. Told me I was too young, too calm in this game, but I ain't visit. Something different, yeah, they turned me down. Told me I was tripped, now we planning trips. I'm plotting on the mission, and because my age, man, it's been division. Doesn't pay the way, man, it's my decision. Never been forced, honestly sick, now they making claims. They so insane, talking about our chains, but I've been this way. They said your dreams too big, now take a look at what I did. I'm about to take over the game, no questions, boy, that's it. I swear to God, blessings, never stressing, every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction, yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing, I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message, yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I know they hate me. I pay them no attention. They tryna imitate me, but I should probably mention there's only one other kid could care. That's not what you did or what you doing. Honestly, it's too concentrated on my business. I don't got time for the games. Don't pay no mind to these lames. I'm in my own separate lane. I mean, I'm just saying, I'm gonna put in all this work. I seen how far I can get. See all they hate it don't work. We got the platinum. I wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. Every night I pray to God, lead me in the right direction. Yeah, wake up and come on. Blessings, never stressing. I wake up, I pray to God, hoping that He get my message. Yeah. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low. I've been on the low. I do not know. Just what I want. She got me low.
Was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Whoa. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah, this all God, this ain't no lie. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up like my name Lazarus. No Satan gon' be mad at this. I had to ask my dad if it's okay to swing my bat at this. He said, boy, if I picture this out of the park, moving so quick it's like they stuck in park. They see the numbers, but I see the heart. 10,000 hours you spit in the dark, putting in good work, even though you didn't even know that it would work. Talking about a man who grew up in woodwork, do it for the love of it, that's the way it should work. Yeah. I know some people gon' look at me crazy, and I'm like, for what? Man, I was stuck, I was down, but now I'm up. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah. I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm down. Now I'm up like a seesaw. When I'm on a beat like an old man's lawn, better keep off. From the ground to the treetops, got clouds on my feet like Jack in the Beast. I jumped off quick, went straight in a free fall. Cowboy hat and a mic singing yeehaw. Landed on my feet like a feline, put him back in the seat like a recline. Ay, what you mean I'm not worthy? Did it with a purpose, didn't need a permit. Digging from the bottom and I brought it to the surface. Mind your business now, who I worship. Who the little guy guy making big moves. Tick-tock, turn it to a tick-tick-tick boom. Yeah, I talk a lot of stuff. Probably thought it was a bluff till I went and turned it where I was down, but now I'm up. Let's go. Yeah. This all God, this ain't no love. Yeah, I used to be stuck in that mud. Yeah, I was down, but now I'm up. I was down, but now I'm up.
Hey, God Twain, I'm doing well. Hey, I'm doing well. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing better than you could imagine. Picked up the book and I'm turning the chapter. Used to have cheesy inside of the speakers and threw it away and replaced it with passes. Grandmama told me if you fill yourself up with garbage, this probably was gonna come out. I shrugged it off till I got a bit older, but now I know what she's talking about. That boy done changed up, but keep it real. Independent, I don't need a deal. God Twain made it a trademark, but the living God is who made the seal. Supernatural, no Copperfield. Down south with the back of fields. When you coming from the bottom, you ain't even gotta worry about the mug, cause you walk through it. Check my heels. My God gon' order my steps. You see, he taught me this lesson. If the bait ain't working on your hook, you need to switch up the method. There's people dying every day, folks down and out with depression. Gotta be the light inside the dark place. Wake them up with the message. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well. I walked around like I didn't even have a purpose. With no direction, I was headed straight to hell. Until the king came down and my knees hit the ground. That's the only reason I'm doing well. I'm doing everything that they said I couldn't go, and everywhere that they said I wouldn't. My plate was empty till I met the Lord, then he filled it up cause he steady cooking. Defeated death and he gave me life. Killed the lust and gave me a wife. My heart was rotten, he cleaned it up, now I'm bare fruit, I'm truly right. Used to run around trying to ball, taking exits to elude the law. Locked down with no place to go, then he met me there and I got the call. Answer that, you gotta pick it up. I had an empty glass and he filled my cup. Pouring out to all the folks in need, that's all you need cause this is enough. Open it daily, gotta get your portion of bread. This world is sleeping on the truth, it's time to hop out of bed. I get it, I was there as well, so I lived out what I said. But judgment's coming and we can't make it right after we're dead. I know some folks that told me I would never make it. They said I'd probably end up bitter in a cell. And from the way I used to act, I understand why you would say it, but I'm here to tell you now I'm doing well.